Break wires at auto junctions. What does exactly this option do? It is enabled by default and it is recommended that you keep it on. When enabled, Altium Designer will segment wires intersecting at the junction. What does it mean? Let's see by an example. Let's first disable this option by unchecking the box. Right click, Preference, under Schematic in General, here uncheck this option. OK. Now a vertical line is drawn. Now let's draw a horizontal wire. As you can see, a junction is automatically created. Now that this option is disabled, Altium Designer keep this line as a single line and does not divide or segment it. Let's select it. As you can see, the red at the ends indicate that the wire is a single wire. Let's check it if it's really a single wire. Select it, delete. It is completely deleted. Control Z. Let's draw another wire. As you can see, a junction is automatically created. Let's see if it is a single wire or segmented. Click. The red at the ends indicates that it's a single wire. Let's delete it. It is completely gone. That means that it is a single line. Let's enable this option again. Right click, Preference, under Schematic, in General, check the box again. OK. Now let's make a junction. Wire. As you can see, a junction is created. But now, since this option is enabled, Altium Designer has divided this previously single line into segments. One segment, another segment. Let's check it. Let's select this. The red at the ends indicates that they are a single line. Delete, and it's gone. That means that it was a separate segment or a separate wire, separated by Altium Designer. Let's draw another wire. As you can see, this is a separate segment. This is a separate segment. It's gone. Let's do it again. Let's disable this option. Right click, Preference, Schematic, General, uncheck. OK. Now this option is disabled. Let's make a junction by drawing a wire. Select wire, create a wire. Since now this option or preference is disabled, Altium Designer does not segment the wire. When you click on it, the red at the ends indicate that it's a single line. Let's draw another one. wire. A junction is created. Click on it. It is a single line. Delete. It's a single line. It's gone. Let's do it again. Right click. Preference. This time enable the option again. Schematic, general, break. It's enabled now. Let's draw a wire. An automatic junction is created. Since the option is enabled, Altium Designer will segment this wire. Select. The red at the ends indicate that they are segmented. This is one segment, this is another segment. Let's draw another wire. Altium Designer has automatically created a junction and segmented this wire. This is one segment, this is another segment. Let's disable the option again. Right click, preference, disable. Let's draw a wire. A junction is created, automatic junction, but since this option is disabled, Altium Designer does not segment the wire. It is still a single wire. Let's do it another one again. It is still a single wire. Since the option is disabled, Altium Designer does not segment the wire. And that's how this preference functions. Thank you very much.